Ever wondered why your feet swell up like balloons after a long day? There's a simple explanation for this. The swelling, known as edema, is caused by an accumulation of fluids in your body tissues. It's a common occurrence, especially after prolonged periods of standing or sitting. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the science behind this swelling. Our bodies are a complex system of cells, tissues, and fluids. When our body isn't balanced, it can lead to fluid retention, causing our feet to swell. This imbalance can be triggered by several factors, including dietary choices, lack of physical activity, and even certain medical conditions. In fact, there's a growing body of evidence linking obesity to edema. Obesity increases pressure on the veins, which can lead to fluid buildup and swelling in the lower extremities. Now that we understand the problem, let's delve into the home remedies that can provide relief. Did you know your diet can make a huge difference in reducing the swelling in your feet? Let's delve into the world of dietary remedies. Fatty meats, chicken, turkey, salmon, milk, cheese, and eggs are not just delicious, but they are also rich in essential nutrients that can help alleviate swelling. One such nutrient is magnesium. It plays a crucial role in preventing fluid retention, a common cause of swollen feet. Most adult males need 410 to 420 milligrams of magnesium per day, while females need 310 to 320 milligrams. Potassium too plays a vital role. By reducing sodium levels in the body, it can help keep swelling at bay. Aim for 4,700 milligrams per day. Don't forget the B vitamins, specifically B1 and B2. Their deficiency can cause extremity swelling. And ladies, vitamin D can help reduce swelling of the feet after pregnancy. Remember, a balanced diet is key to managing and preventing swollen feet. Apart from a healthy diet, certain lifestyle changes can significantly help in managing swollen feet. Movement is key. If you find yourself sitting or standing for prolonged periods, make sure to take breaks. Walk around, stretch your legs, and wiggle your toes. This helps to stimulate blood circulation and can significantly reduce swelling. Next, consider Epsom salt baths. Soaking your feet in warm water mixed with Epsom salts can provide immediate relief. It's a tried and tested remedy that works wonders for swollen feet. Another effective remedy is wearing compression socks. These socks apply gentle pressure on your feet, which aids in reducing swelling and improve blood circulation. They come in various sizes and strengths, so it's easy to find a pair that suits you. Remember, a little change in your daily routine can go a long way in providing relief from swollen feet. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies.